Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing cabbage, and here are our ingredients. We have cabbage, carrots, tomatoes, onions, a half a teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of garam masala, garlic paste, and we have salt. So first of all, start by mixing your carrots and your cabbage. Mix them properly, then you can now start cooking. So add onions and make sure they're golden brown so that you can add your tomatoes. So after adding your tomatoes, you can stir for a while, then you can add your garam masala, curry powder, salt and your garlic paste. Then you can mix them properly. Then after that, you can finally add your cabbage. After adding your cabbage, stir it for a while and now let it cook. So my cabbage cooked for approximately 5 to 4 minutes, then I removed it. And we have our cabbage here. If you did enjoy my video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.